to all my artsy friends. I am super casual today. I've got my little Vail, Colorado sweatshirt on today, and it's pink, and we're doing Valentine's Day stuff, so I thought it would be appropriate. But today I have the sweetest, and these are the easiest Valentine's Day DIYs. Anybody can do them. Now, let me tell you, Dollar Tree had the cutest Valentine's Day decor this year, and I'm really excited to show you that. So let's start there with my little Dollar Tree shopping trip. So these were all of the signs they had at Dollar Tree. They had so many good ones to pick from. And then I don't know if you have the Dollar Tree Plus section at your Dollar Tree, but mine had a whole aisle dedicated to $3 and $5 items. And as you can see here, there are some really good options. I mean, little stools for only $5 and water fountains and shelves. And oh my gosh, there were just so many good finds there. Now, what I really love as a crafter are all these raw wood items, and you can paint them and customize them to your liking. They also have really large canvases here, so you can do some painting and really do whatever you want with their blank art supplies. I found this little I picked you sign, and it came in a set of 2, but we're just going to use 1 today. It's a really nice hard material. You can also find yarn at Dollar Tree, and I used yarn to make those pom-poms with my pom-pom maker, and I'll link another video below where I actually show how to use my pom-pom maker. It's actually really fun and relaxing for me to make pom-poms. I don't know why, I just really enjoy doing that. And my cat likes it too because he gets a little crazy with the yarn. This is not a Dollar Tree item. I found this set of wooden balls on Amazon. So I saw that they had so many different sizes. I knew I would get a lot of use out of this for several projects. So I'm just going in and I'm picking out the ones that I want to use because I'm going to make one of those, like, I don't know what you call them, but they have beads and then like a little tassel at the end. So I'm going to make something like that that I can use to decorate shelves or to decorate a tray or a tiered tray. And I just think it'll be super cute to have a little Valentine's themed one. Originally, I thought I was going to do all wood beads, but then I decided a few little pom-poms in there would be really fun. So I picked out any pink ones that I had, and I think I'm going to go with these kind of hot pink ones. Now, the trick I figured out to paint these balls to keep them from rolling all over the place was I just took a stem from a Dollar Tree floral and I stuck it in there and just kind of rotated the ball around with the brush as I painted it. And chalk paint works perfectly for this, and it dries really fast. So that's how I painted all of these. Next, we're just going to weave the yarn through that little heart, and then I'm just going to weave everything through with a thick craft needle, and that actually did go right through those pom-poms as well. Today I'm joining another YouTube friend who is also doing Valentine's Day DIYs. Allie's channel is actually Allie DIY, and I'll link her video and channel in my description box below. Allie has a really cool style, and I always love what she comes up with, so make sure to check her out when you're done watching my video. And if you're visiting Artsy Cupcake for the first time, welcome. My name is Maria and I love sharing crafts and home decor. I just love getting creative and I love it so much. I made a whole career out of it. I'm a graphic designer for my full-time job and I just love sharing ideas to get creative in your own home. So make sure to subscribe because I share new ideas every week. I had to pick up this tray from Dollar Tree. I knew I could make it really cute and fun for Valentine's Day. And it's a wood tray. And I think I want to give this a whitewash to where you'll still be able to see the hearts, but it won't look so yellowy with the wood. It'll be more of a white color. Now Dollar Tree does have smaller trays like this. And this is only $1, so if you wanted a smaller tray, you could definitely do the same technique that I'm going to do with the whitewashing on the smaller one. I'm using some white acrylic paint. This is from Dollar Tree. And I'm wetting my brush, and that wet brush will really help distribute the paint a little bit more smoothly, and it'll also make it not so thick. It'll really thins it out just a little bit to where you can still see the design below and you'll get that nice whitewashed look. On the sides, I'm painting it pink. And I'm using a little eyeshadow brush just to get into the small areas. Next, I used a paint pen from Decor, and I decided to trace just a few of those hearts. I liked the way some of them had the whitewashed look, but I wanted a few to stand out, so I used a hot pink pen for that. To decorate the sides of our tray, I'm just going to tie little ribbons into bows, and I'm going to hot glue those onto the sides near the handles. Another find in that $5 section was this cute little bus. It is adorable. I just love it. And its little wheels actually roll around. So I'm going to start by giving this a little bit of white paint. And then you could decorate this however you want. I'm just going to give you one idea here. My painting isn't perfect, but don't worry about that. But you could do whatever color you want. You could do red and white. You could do just like all neutrals. But I thought it would be fun just to put a little pink paint on there. It just didn't come out as nice and thick as I wanted. This one is not from Dollar Tree. I got it at Target. The pink paint, it's kind of hit or miss with their colors. For some reason, some go on nice and even, but other colors just are kind of sketchy. So I would probably pick a different pink paint if you were gonna do pink. If you end up making one, make sure to tag me over on Instagram at Artsy Cupcake 1, and I would love to see what you came up with for the way you style your bus. Now I did want to do something a little extra on here, and I thought how cute would it be to have a little love banner hanging on the side of the bus. So what I did was just printed out some triangles with the words love in there and 2 little hearts. And I'm not sure if I'll use the hearts or not. I just had them in case I had a little extra space. But I cut out the triangles and then I glued those onto a piece of Dollar Tree felt. They have so many different colors of felt now and yarn over at Dollar Tree. So then you have this little banner here, and I glued these right onto a piece of chenille yarn, which is something else you can find at Dollar Tree, and then I attached that right onto the little bus. At the very end, I decided to use that same paint pen to paint on some little hearts onto the wheels. If you were inspired today, please remember to click that subscribe button for more home decor ideas every week. It really helps my channel and I really appreciate your support. Don't forget to check out Allie's video for more Valentine's DIY inspiration. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a very creative day. Bye!